None. First up, a user-friendly interface. Power BI's intuitive design and drag-and-drop functionality make data visualization a breeze. You don't need to be a tech wizard to create stunning reports and dashboards. Next, seamless integration. Power BI works effortlessly with other Microsoft products like Excel, Azure, and SQL Server. Plus, it supports a ton of third-party apps, making data connectivity smooth and efficient. Now let's talk advanced analytics and AI. With features like natural language queries and AI-driven insights, Power BI helps you uncover trends and make data-driven predictions. It's like having a data scientist in your pocket. Finally, it's cost-effective and scalable. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Power BI fits your budget and grows with you. Its cloud-based architecture means you can access your data anytime, anywhere. So, there you have it. 4 reasons why Microsoft Power BI is the future of business intelligence. Ready to make the switch? Let's get started.